Hey guys, it's Hong once again and welcome back to the channel. Pretty excited with this box in front of me today. But today we are going to unbox this Joying 10.1 Android car audio system for the 2011 to 2013 Jeep JKUs. Full disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video and I did pay out of my pocket for this. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this thing. Alright, looks like we have a lot of things in here. Let's begin with the dash trim piece, which is now separated into two individual pieces. Here in front of me is the gauge cluster trim, and it looks exactly like stock right to the fine details. Mental note, remove the stubs. The second piece is the center dash where the 10.1 IPS screen will reside on. The last piece is the tray that fits on top of the center dash. Overall, I love the idea that the dash is in two separate pieces, which eliminates cutting up the existing stock one. Now you can revert back if needed. Box 1 of 2 LCD panel. The screen itself is a 1280x720 IPS panel with no physical buttons. This might take some time to get used to, but if you're already using a tablet as a main unit, then this shouldn't be an issue. Box 2 of 2. This box contains all the cables required to connect the unit to the Jeep. A pair of USB 2.0 cables. A pair of 4G antenna cables, external mic, GPS antenna, user manual, and a unit harness with a CAN bus decoder. The main unit is powered by Intel's 1.8 GHz octa-core processor with 4 gigs of internal memory and 64 gigs of storage for music and videos. Honestly, I was hoping for at least 128 gigs for today's standards. On the rear of the unit, we have various ports for the devices. This black port is for the optical out. This black cable is for the 4G SIM card. Next to that are the 4G antenna connections. Next to that, we have a bunch of audio connections for extra speakers, amps, and subwoofers. This bottom section, we have the radio, antenna, mic, and the two USB connections. Over here, we have the GPS port, and to the left of it, these three antennas include Bluetooth 5.1, 802.11 BGNN wireless antenna, and then the 5 GHz Wi-Fi antenna. This black port at the bottom connects to the provided harness, which then connects to the Jeep. This unit is currently running Android 10.0 OS, which I hope I can update to 11 a little bit later. This unit also provides Android and Apple CarPlay via wired or wireless connection. Overall, this looks like an easy and simple install. Stay tuned for the next video when I install this unit into the Jeep. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please hit a like and take care. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the video. Looks pretty straightforward. Hopefully this doesn't take too long to install. Looks pretty straightforward. Just plug and play and we are good to go. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next installation video of this head unit into the Jeep. Alright, you guys have a good day. See ya.